Oh, hey there, friend. Welcome to a quiet corner of the world, where the air is still, leaves lean and close, something peaceful lingers in silence. So let's slow down, look closer, maybe even find a little wonder tucked between the trees. Well, now, look who showed up among the leaves. Heracross, just where you expect him. It's like he's here with us. Definitely a beautiful card. Sometimes the forest sends a sign, a small spark of wonder tucked beneath the trees. I'm glad you were here to see it. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.